thought it died. We should have got 2 kayaks. Oh wait, there's something right here though, for real.
How much of the Gulf are you gonna put in the kayak? And in my mouth? I'm getting drowned and beat to death at the same time. You can just drop me off in the water. Oh, good. Lean back.
I need a break.
Finish me off.
Hold on. I need a break. Oh man, we're going out to sea again.
Here.
That's tiring. Alright, take us to the pier.
What do we got out here? Some more dead fish?
Oh, we do have more dead fish. Oh, here's our little friend.
Wanna go out and swim?
I kind of do.
Swim with the sharks.
Let's go for a swim. Here she comes! Granny's pirate ship!
What is this voice?
I don't know. I was trying to talk like a pirate. Here she blows! Like that? Hey, you mateys! Here she blows! Like that? I don't know. Oh, that's not the pirate show. It tricked me. That's just a boat.
Huh?
Look, they're selling bait off their boat. It's a live bait.